We'll guide you through how to fix the microphone not working on a Samsung. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem is really annoying as you're then unable to go and speak to people or record and just use your microphone. We've got some different fixes you can try, make sure it's this full guide. So to get started, go and swipe up on your device like so and come into your settings. First of all, come into connections. And you want to go and try turning off Bluetooth. Your device may be trying to connect to it and use the microphone on a Bluetooth device which doesn't exist or isn't working. Try that and see if the problem is solved. If it still isn't, you want to go down and go and find the option for security and privacy. And in here, you need to go and find the option for permission manager. Go and tap on it. And in here, you can then go and find the option for microphone. In here, scroll down, find the option for microphone and make sure the app you're trying to use a microphone in is enabled and allowed. For example, come to not allowed, I could come to Chrome and then go and give it permission. Go and see if that solves the problem. If it still doesn't, then what we're going to try doing is holding down the power button on a device and go and restart it by pressing restart twice. When it starts again, hopefully the problem's now solved. If it still isn't, try plugging in some headphones into the jack and then unplugging them again. Sometimes that can solve the problem I've researched. Leave a like if you found this useful.